Hey family, once again wishing you all a blissful and wonderful day. I'm here to share with you this topic that it is sent from God because I dream with Psalm 11. So this topic I prepare it specially for you. God's justice, mercy and grace in the present life. Okay? In the Lord I take refuge. How then can you say to me, flee like a bird to your mountain? For look, the wicked bend their bow. They set their arrow against the string to shoot from the shadow at the right and heart. When the foundation are being destroyed, what can the righteous do? The Lord is in his holy temple. The Lord is on his heavenly throne. He observes everyone on earth. His eyes examine them. The Lord examines the righteous, but the wicked, those who love violence, he hates with a passion. On the wicked he will rain fiery coal and burning sulphur. A scorching wind will be their lot. For the Lord is righteous, he loves justice. The upright will see his face. Like you see, I read Psalm 11 for you all. Now write, I'm gonna read, couple of things that I learned from Psalm 11. From the Psalm 11, from verse 1 to 3, it explains, "And the Lord I'll take refuge. How then can you say to me, flee like a bird to your mountain? For look, the wicked bend their bow, they set the arrow against the string to shoot from the shadow at the upright in heart." Okay? When the foundation are being destroyed, what can the righteous do? This is a question. As David wrote this psalm, his life was in danger. He was running away from King Saul, who wanted to destroy him and his men. Similarly, in a time of pandemic, you may relate to this. You may feel a threat to the well-being of your and your loved one. Safety. What did David do? This was the question. He revealed his faith in God. This is the honest person we should put faith in, and he will give us strength. Then we have in verse 4 to 7, when he said, "The Lord is in his holy temple, the Lord is on his heavenly throne. He observed everyone on earth, his eyes examined them. The Lord examined the righteous, but the wicked, those who love violence, he hates with passion." When he examined us is the heart. He know everyone heart. This is why we should guard we heart. Okay? And this, for the Lord is righteous, he loves justice. The upright will see his face. He is confident that is in heaven and he sees everyone and everything that is happening. And in the end, David note that the righteous that is Christian like us will see his face. The face of God implies salvation. Amen. So here is where the question come. What do we do when the foundation are shaken? Okay? What do we do? This is the question that many of us ask ourselves. We must first get the right view of God and make a commitment to Him. In John chapter 6:68, Jesus had taught heavy doctrine about His body and blood, and the crowd started distancing themselves from Him. He asked his disciples whether they too